Hey guys, what's up? This is the first video of 2021 and today I am going to be unboxing a Coca Cola mini fridge. Oh yeah, red, I like red. Okay, we got the manual about it. Oh, what? Okay, here. Whoa. Okay, it's nothing in the box. Before we get into this is what is on the box, what's inside it, and the Coca Cola words. Okay, you guys probably don't want to see that, so we'll just put it to the side there and let's get on with this fridge opening. Okay, yeah. Woo! Wow, this is looking nice. Okay. Move that to the side there, and wow, Coca Cola. This is really a nice fridge, and oh, what? And we can carry that too. Okay, so here are the cords for the fridge to keep the drinks all cold. Guys, wait 1 minute. Here, we don't got Coca Cola, but we got cream, Dr. Pepper, root beer, and another cream, Dr. Pepper. So let's plug this in real quick. Okay, got this. Okay guys, we are about to turn this fridge on. Oh, it's on, guys. So let's put Dr. Pepper, cream soda in here, then put root beer right over here. Yeah, right there. Then put another Dr. Pepper cream soda right here. And yeah, guys, I am gonna rate this a 10 out of 10. And guys, I'm so glad that 2020 is over. 2021, I hope this is a great year for us all, and the people that are watching at home right now, I hope you guys have the best year of 2021, and bye guys.